Hey, are you having a good time? Good answer, good answer. This is a Cope family that will be on YouTube. That will be on YouTube so all the friends can see it. Mrs. Cope, Mr. Cope, missing Madison. There she is. Madison, hi. And then this is babysitter 1, babysitter 2. Come on. Babysitter 1 feels better than babysitter 2 today. So, how do you like the Bahamas? I like it a lot. Oh, look, a seagull over your head, Stacy. Look up, quick.